Honor is all set to launch the Magic 7 series of smartphones on October 30th in China. While the launch date was confirmed last week, the Magic 7 series powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Honor announced that the Magic 7 series will be the first to feature its on-device AI agent for an open ecosystem. Powered by Magic OS 9.0, the brand released the following teasers to showcase the first color of the series, Moonshadow Gray. This color is inspired by the world's first science fiction blockbuster. Honor Magic 7 official teaser in sunrise gold color. The design is looking awesome and fresh. And this is Magic 7 Golden Glow hands on first look. This is Magic 7 Pro hands-on real-life images. Honor Magic 7 box also exposed. Both models are expected to offer OLED displays. The Pro version is likely to have a higher resolution 2K display, while the standard model will have a 1.5K resolution. Both the Magic 7 and Magic 7 Pro will have a triple camera setup on the rear. A 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 200-megapixel telephoto camera. The phones are likely to share features like IP68/69 water resistance. It may house a silicon battery of around 6,000 mAh capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.